Read magazines for free with Flipster. Explore 65 magazines with Flipster. No subscription, physical copies, or recycling needed. Read entire magazines cover to cover, including images, ads, comics, and even crosswords. You can flip through or search for something specific. To share with others, you can print or share direct links to stories or pages. Just copy the URL when looking at an article and share anywhere, including a Canvas course. Find popular magazines like Rolling Stone and industry publications such as Engineering News Record and Education Week. Higher ed publications are available too, including curriculum and teaching dialogue and diverse issues in higher education. Some past issues are available. To get started, visit JMU Library subscription to Flipster and log in with your JMU EID. You can always find the link to Flipster on our virtual news rack. Find your favorite magazine, click Read Now, and enjoy flipping through on your browser or on the Flipster app of your phone or tablet.